라 tukutende de la rumbuchi gevtuk chichene ani ponani chawsa tsoma kadu mambunyane ani yayon tene chichuchi tene nga
I am a student of late Tuku Tenzin Dile Rinpoche and a former Tibetan political prisoner. I have served many years in prison under Chinese rule. Today, I want to speak about recent suspension of funding for Radio Free Asia, Voice of America Tibetan Service, and proposed cuts to support for the Tibetan government in exile. I come from Tibet, where 6 million Tibetans still live under Chinese oppression.
Kuchutende de la danganzo rungo na yopi kablaya ane sanjur julum tetso nyene nyere ne amanzu ane 직신한 그 용수 조박에 내설티 되니 당한지 때서 거기 열에 들리지디 라마르 부치나 남게 내선주 되냐야 체도 리두 된진 함는 저기 열에 만주 중고를 배우는 저디 까블야.
In 1996, while we were still in Tibet, my teacher Tuku Tenzin Dele Rinpoche and I used to listen to these news broadcasts every day. Through RFA and VOA, we learned about what was happening in the free world. Rinpoche always carried a shortwave radio to listen to the news. And even when we were hiding in the mountains, we both kept a radio with us. Just like us, millions of Tibetans inside Tibet depend on these news services. They were a source of hope, a lifeline to the outside world. We believe that United States, along with European nations and India, are our only protectors against the brutal Chinese regime.
랑사 카트가 들리지 요인데 니가 단한 가는 동도 세나 번나라고 요노고 범은 참은 그 샘식 차야다 내가 공천 그오다 천주 따다 다 들여다스다 뭐니 전에 단다 쇼지 천주를 접저리요 세기요래 다 간디 정상 세네 아니 간줄라.
Until now, the United States has always supported us, and we are deeply grateful. But the recent news about these funding cuts is heartbreaking. It sends a dangerous message that Tibetans in Tibet are being abandoned. The Chinese government is already using this as propaganda, telling Tibetans, look, even the United States has stopped helping you. In fact, Chinese media has already celebrated this decision as a victory. What is good news for China is a deeply painful blow for us, for those of us who continue to suffer under a repressive regime. That is why I appeal with all my heart to the United States. Please continue your support. Tibetans look upon to the United States as a champion of democracy and human rights. Yes, reforms may be necessary from time to time, but this move gives joy to our oppressor and sorrow to the oppressed. On behalf of all Tibetans inside Tibet, I sincerely urge the United States government to immediately restore funding for RFA and VO Tibetan service. These media outlets are our voice, our protection, and our connection to the outside world. They help counter Chinese disinformation and censorship. Through these channels, we are able to hear the message of His Holiness the Dalai Lama inside Tibet. Despite China's efforts to block these broadcasts, they have not succeeded. Many Tibetans have been imprisoned or even killed just for listening to these programs. The shutting down of RFA and VOA Tibetan service feels like someone is closing our eyes forever. So once again, I earnestly request the United States government to restore these two media services and to continue its support for the Tibetan cause.
아니 대나만수 돈열와리 대대 디긴 선배 아니 사마가 되는지 그거는 연구하래서 되는 바인자 다리기 타수 제단데 문이 넣어도 되는지 마찬가지 그 접접제로 체선 다 되는지 마셔요.